Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the mini shark. To begin, you'll need to locate the arms dealer, a crucial non-player character. He will only appear once you have a gun in your inventory and an available house for him to move into. Once he's settled, you can purchase the mini shark directly from him for 35 gold coins. It's a fantastic early game weapon, offering rapid fire and decent damage. To make the arms dealer appear, your primary goal is to obtain any gun that fires bullets. These firearms can often be discovered in chests found throughout the world, or sometimes dropped by specific enemies. Once you have a gun in your inventory, and provided you have a suitable, empty house ready, the arms dealer will move in. This step is essential before you can even think about purchasing the mini shark. Creating a proper home for your non-player characters is straightforward but vital. Each house needs complete walls, a door, and a light source to be considered valid. Additionally, the structure must be at least 60 tiles in total area. Don't forget to include a comfort item, such as a chair or a table, to make it truly habitable. Once these conditions are met, your arms dealer will have a place to call home. With the arms dealer comfortably settled in his new home, the final step is simple. Approach him and interact to open his shop inventory. You'll find the mini shark listed among his wares. Make sure you have 35 gold coins ready for the transaction. Once purchased, this rapid-fire weapon will be yours, ready to significantly boost your combat capabilities in your adventures. Enjoy your new mini shark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.